All right, we are being recorded right now. So Landon, let's see what you said. So are you talking about like a broker or what? No, Braden's on the call, so Braden, if you have the answer, please. But if you're talking about risk management, definitely, that is in IML TV, what we can preach, but definitely I want y'all to risk what y'all have, not what y'all don't have, and know when y'all are trading. Especially with trading structure, this is a strategy that's going to take a long time. Like, it's going to deal with your patience right here. And it's like, but once you master your patience, you're going to be good. As you see, this could be a big W right here for me. Let me draw it out. Brush.
200 pounds of cushion trying to sell that shit. My me gonna sell it, fuck it, he gon' mail the break. Soon as I get my hands on it, I'ma sell them shit. Y'all food and make the jewels on them bells and shit. And we ain't gotta talk about it, you can tell we rich.
So as you see, the big W that's forming. So, but the harmonic scanner called out a sell, but whatever way it goes, we marked our structure. And so whenever if it breaks out of this zone, we'll just wait for it to retest it, just like it did out of here when it was previously right here in this area. When it was previously right here in this area, see, like right here, price is right here. As you see the double bottom forming, the week started in this area on the 19th. You see the gap that happened. Price started up here, made this little high, then came back to the recent low, and then finally broke out of this area. Now retested it, whatever you want to call it. As you see, price is hitting off this zone over here, hitting off over here, and then finally broke out. I mean, whichever way it goes, we can catch the buy or the sell, but definitely. Let me wipe this off my screen. I'm gonna send my markups definitely in the group chat, in the Telegram group chat. But I actually want to break down this chart so we all see it because it's moving pretty well. So this was the recent high. Just check this out.
I'm just a flavor, you just a trader. The sports age and I am a player. I'm at the Four Seasons like I'm on vacation. Trying to count some paper every day I wake up. I can't
see price is moving.
Double times on my feet and laced up. You go right around my wrist, it's perfect time. You go right around my wrist, I'm trying to find her. I got 5 bitches on me just like China. He's a chance for you to prove it, girl, line up. Ain't no pressure, gotta click over some diamonds. If you care about it, put her in designer. Tony wanna taste on the highlights. Tony wanna taste on the highlights. Toasting up right now, how you love it. Toasting up right now, how you love it. I can pay your rent right now, how you love it. I can pay your bills right now, how you love it. I
These were areas of entry where price was consolidating at first in this area.
I got a feeling she want me like I want her. Don't want to taste on the highway. Don't want to taste on the highway.
Price came back, tested over here, broke out again. So this is where price is currently at right here, moving in this area. I'll send my charts out later. But this was another thing I was called on the harmonic scanner was Euro, AUD. I marked this up last week. It still hasn't been moving out of this area. So mark this up right now, but these are just the setups that I have for the next 3 days. Usually gonna hit trigger either tomorrow or Thursday or whatever the case may actually be. Definitely on Friday.
Gangs hitters at the matches. First dip through traffic. I'm getting better, I'm at practice. I'm working every day crafting. I'm pulling on how to have it. I was back with a million. I hit a lot of like that is a regular civilian. I'm on the squad, I'm a champion. Remember, we hit up the house, we got a stash spot. Remember, as soon as we crash down, next crash out. I get on the stage and rap to the pass out. Hit another city, I'm just grooving. I'm trying to tell you I was moving. I'm just gonna tell you I'm improving. I done caught a vibe, she was choosing. Gotta keep my pride, I'm a general. Gotta keep it real with some criminals. Gotta keep my focus up phenomenal. Once I got the load, I'm the money man. Got 100 hoes, got 100 zans. We gon' party hard to the moon call. She gon' fit it low with the mushroom. Got my college girls, I can come through. Put some cold syrup in the mountain. You would never see what I go through. Gotta keep my vibe, I'm a general. Gotta keep it real with some criminals. Gotta take my time with these bad bitches. Don't wanna die with no bad bitches. Send a flight for a bad bitch. Overnight for a bad bitch. Cartier on the patch. Cartier on the patch. Stacks hitters at the mattress. Racks hitters at the mattress.
So as you see, price can only move either up or down. So that's why these arrows are here for, because price only has 2 ways of actually moving. Either up or down, and if it breaks out of these zones, you just catch the retest that it's always going to make. Price is always going into music. Yeah, price is always going to either break out of these zones, break out of these areas of support or resistance that y'all see, and it's always going to retest if it's going that way. So, like I said, I'm basically trading structure right here. So just like if price, you see price hit off here, here. So price either breaks out and retests it and shoots up, or just like if it keeps breaking up without a retest in this area, the next place that probably gonna retest is this area where you see prices rejecting off of. So there's another. You see a little double top form right there. See AJ just didn't even move last week. Clear that up. When I marked up earlier, I saw a big double bottom, but looks like it's about to take forever to form. You see, this is moving correctly.
You ready to make me land the motherfucker down. Ready to make me land everything. Got metro on, trust me. Those niggas get murked around with that ain't shit. Those niggas see dirt, fucking that ain't shit. Those niggas get money, fucking around ain't shit. Those niggas take a bitch with all that ain't shit. All the mama bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Put you on my bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Try to count me out, nigga, I'm staying with it. Fuck about to the loss, man, I playing this. I ain't taking no shots, nigga, I'm mad bitch. Made myself a boss, man, I'm savage. Ain't talking that talk on for the address on. Full grown for the 6 songs, ain't no flex on me. I'm putting on the money long, ain't no dicks on me. Got a 4 song with a little phone with a big tick on me. Take my advice, you gotta get it in, and another one. All we do is win. She know I'm draped up with the cash on me. I'm a cash out on a spider. They up top of my idol. My watches and chains are brighter. Items are flame and lighter. Turning my hoes are fighters. Those niggas get murked around with that ain't shit. Those niggas get dirt for them that ain't shit. Those niggas get money for them that ain't shit. Those niggas take a bitch with all that ain't shit. All the mama bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Put you on my bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Try to count me out, nigga, I'm staying with it. Fuck about to the loss, man, I planned this. DJS. In the apartment, I was in your baby mama. In the apartment, I was in your baby mama. On the carpet, I was in your baby mama. Took the carbon with the 50 round gun. I'm a sergeant and lieutenant on the front. I'm a marshal and I really one-on-one. No bargains, I buy it if I want. I put whatever I want, I do whatever I want. You take the whole things that I want, you hold in the hand I want. You do whatever I want, and I do whatever I want. I get a mouth when I want, she let me live when I want. She like the tricking I want, and claiming that bitch when I want. Those niggas get murked around with that ain't shit. Those niggas see dirt fucking that ain't shit. Those niggas get money fucking my ain't shit. Those niggas take a bitch with all that ain't shit. All the mama bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Put you on my bitch, fuck that ain't shit. Try to count me out, nigga, I'm staying with it. Fuck about to the loss. You laying everything down. Yeah, my nigga.
Alright, so right here in USDCHF, right here, stop the music because I wanted to talk about this one. So this could either be, somebody could be considering this being a inverted head and shoulders right here. You see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Could even be a bigger head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder can be forming later or whatever, whenever it must actually form. As you see the bigger picture, head, left shoulder, the right shoulder could be coming back later. But right now, whenever you see this candle right here, that little bullish candle is shooting up, almost hit my 61.8 retracement is almost right on cue with it. So I wouldn't even enter into this buy unless it closes above the 61.8. So if this candle closes above in the next 48 minutes, closes above this 61.8, I'll enter in this trade. First TP would be 30 pips, or for new people, it could be 25 or 20 pips. But regularly, first TP is 30 pips. Stop loss is 30 pips. Once price moves 10 pips into profit, move your stop loss 2 pips into profit. So you have a stop profit. So that's how you know you're securing the bag right there. Once you move it into profit, move your stop loss into profit, now you're playing with the house money, and now you secure profit, and you can't lose money if you're not risking anything once you move your stop loss into profit. So I would send that one into the Telegram group chat later. But even if it doesn't, I mean, whatever, it's still, even, I mean, you can enter into this trade in the next 47 minutes. But But even if you miss that, you can end it right here if it keeps going up and wait for the retest again. Or if it goes for the sell, then you wait for it to break structure, this recent level of structure or its recent low. You wait for it to break it and retest it and keep going down with it. Wait for the retest. Wait for those retests, they are key.
I got way too much juice, niggas ain't wrong. I got way too much juice, niggas ain't wrong. I'm too sorry. I'm whipping the road.
Not too many moves right now.
All I know is I get crazy, man. My partner's on. They gon' shoot us on stage. I don't trust her, baby. I don't trust her, baby.
Go into the 4 hours so you can see it more clearly.
Every turn up, turn into a trap house. And I turn up, turn into my coke house. I gotta play like a jam man. I put that bitch in the sea, man.
Go to the pass to make sure.
This for my young nigga grind, I'm a stress from the brother. When I tell her to go, I was telling that grind like that shit was fun. I was running for pushes, I've been over business like I let me away from the nuts. Hey, man, I can never keep away from the spot. They treat you like Lord, they treat you like God when you be the odd. None of my dreams was reality, just a few things we gon' harm and facade. I'm taking this. Just a few things we gon' harm and facade. What's the deal in the West End at the motherland? You can sell my crack for days in, it's crazy. I see you loyal to Panda. I see you grind the Panda. I see you dope the Panda. I see the club the Panda. I was the work that would land on her. It's all to be turning these hands on her. The mama she do it the best never. Sucking that dick with no hands.
So when I send these out, y'all can go just make these same drawings onto y'all's same charts also. And just, if y'all don't really want to look at y'all's charts every hour, just set an alert on these, the recent, like this one, this horizontal line instead of the closest one to price. So you want to set it on the outer one, just like the same one up here. How you set alert, just go right here, click on the alarm clock, this pops up, and then set it, forget it, whenever it rings, you look at your chart. That's really all you have to do. So you don't have to spend all day looking at your chart. After you set these drawings up,
so there's been some way, no time to give me 5. When they give you those quick, nigga, Wi-Fi. Got a girl that made a flip, call them 5. We just turned and made a flip, you need a shot. Poppin' and smoke good, that's that line block. 80 on one, on the wild. I made it off the bar with niggas died. 2000 plus a thousand in the 5 o'clock. I pour it out the bottle, niggas sky high. All my hands on my doctor, heard me, yeah. I said 60 hole and watch it, call me God. I might fuck a hole and couch and tell the 5. I might smash a hole and couch and tell the 5. All my hands on my doctor, heard me, yeah. I said 80 hole and watch it, call me God. I might smash a hole and couch and tell the 5. I might smash a hole and couch and tell the 5. I'ma let you borrow some cause I'm a fly guy. I just live from the scene and go wild about it. Took a fling to my team, I'm gonna die about it. Bob Marley King is one, they call a whole thousand. Really thinking she the one I'm in that whole thousand. When you see her out of cover, she's a shot. When you get her in the bitch, you bring a freak out. Custom made every piece, she called me Pop. She gave me 3 nasty dollars, Lady Gaga. She got a 3 nasty dollars, want to apologize. She like those in America, I got a rockin' brother, nothing that ain't all like all my hands on my doctor, let me Gaga. I said, since you home and watch it, call me God. I might fuck her on the couch and tell her bye-bye. I might smash her on the couch and tell her bye-bye. All bars on my top, honey, yeah. I spent 80 on the watch, call me God. I might smash her on the couch and tell her bye-bye. I might smash her on the couch and tell her bye-bye. Let's go. The coolest DJ in the world. Yeah. So good. Whatever. Yeah, drug dealers and strippers, they in my entourage. Drug dealers and strippers, they in my entourage. I'ma get them dance to you, baby, no time. Get that virgin to you, no time. I get prescription to you, no time. We gon' have fun, baby, no time. Yeah. I look inside the eyes, I see the same things I'm going through. Trying to take your heart away, you gotta be really true. Try to tear your heart away, if I can take a string or two. All I do is gather to the road and know the crew. I get in the trenches, play this paper each and every day. I gon' make another hit and then go buy another race. Anytime you see me with some jewelry, got it close to me. Most of the time you see me out in cool and bustin' down the base. Drop top spider, that's in the first line. Travel places, they look at you like a baby, yeah. Started off my first check, I bought some baby, yeah. Try to get the rest of the easy, no try. Drug dealers and strippers, they in my entourage. Drug dealers and strippers, they in my entourage. I'ma get them dance to you, baby, no try. Get that virgin to you, no try. I get prescription to you, no try. I get prescription to you, no try. We gon' have fun, baby, no stop. Yeah. I listen to soul, no stop. Come on, go, don't let me go, stop. Trappers and gamblers, that's in my entourage. Trappers and gamblers, that's in my entourage. I never did trade, never did one time. See a posted on the corner section one time. I know you see him in these niggas out of time. I know you see him check the DM time to time.
So be safe on this one right here with gold. Yeah, I could have put my resistance right here, but to be on the safe side where price is really hitting off of rejecting, you want price to fully break out of this zone. And you don't want it to just come up here and break a little, and then you're expecting it to shoot up when it might just still be in the same zone area where price is currently trapped. So you'd rather be safe than sorry with trading. Still waiting for these trades to break out.
Thinking about the mix I had you. Thinking about the viewers I had you. DJ Esther.
Perfect example right here, break and retest. Retested, shot up, retested, shot up, retested, shot up, retested. When you're twin trading this thing, you have one take profit at having one take profit at 30 pips and then twin trade it. So like this, price is trapped in this zone. Wait for the retest, break out, retest. It broke out right here, out of this zone where it was, broke out, came back out. Once it broke out, enter the trade where you see a recent green candle that closed above this area. 30 pips from here. 30 pips right there, and then twin trade it right there. So once you're twin trading it, you have one trailing the whole time. So from right here, trailing, potentially you could have caught 250 pips by twin trading this whole thing. So you wanted to catch 30 pips and you have it trailing, and your twin trade, whatever you're trailing with, broke out again of an area. Then you added another 30, another TP that's 30 pips right here, retested, write it up, broke out again, twin trading it. Now you have two orders twin trading right now. Broke out again, another TP that's 30 pips, write it up, twin trading again, twin trading, twin trading, twin trading. Yeah. So when you're twin trading with your twin trade, because you don't want it to go all the way up here and your stop loss is still down here. So when you're twin trading it, you have one order just trailing, and every time it comes back down, okay, now you put your stop loss here if you're twin trading from there. Now when it's up here, you have your stop loss down here. Twin trading up here, you have your stop loss down here while you're riding it up. So that's another good one. In 5 minutes, I'm about to get off.
You know that purple rain had a middle from a foot. I see you like a strange, I can tell the same love. That brand new move saying had to get it out the mud. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I see the girl, I see the girl, I just need my girl, I just need my girl. I bought a couple of these like a pushing hair. I bought a couple of these, I bought a couple of cameras. I'm acting like a free thing, gang terrorist. Clear couple of leans on the function like a junkie, take a clear to the team. Ability and money. Internationally taking over other countries. Any nationality, continent, franchise down in the foreign, it's a road. Until you got down, you'll never have both. Got real estate downtown, invested around low. I heard you trying to talk down, I got info. I know you trying to play around, but you ain't got soul. Big cup of syrup, watch it down on my dozy. Wearing lean local, like they old penny local. But it all local, got the real flag posters. I don't want no words with you, but you bad local. I'm just trying to motivate the hood, all local. I'm just trying to teach you how to keep you good slow. I'm just trying to show you how to get a feel local. I see the girl, I see the girl, I see my girl, I see my girl. Hope I didn't come back to the wrong way, that wasn't the plan. Hope you see the best that I made, I took the chance. I took my best, she was bad until took us in and dirty to the ground, blowing touch. We gon' talk about it, but since I got the thing, then I'm going to do it. We wanna see it, wrong, but it's like good. I see the girl, I see the girl,
Alright, I'm about to get off real quick. We're gonna check back on this thing tomorrow and see how they all turned out. Appreciate y'all all for being on the session. And check back up tomorrow, London session again.